Begin our section on configuration, I'd like to give you a quick lesson on product bundles. These will be an overarching feature that will be consistently touched upon during our entire configuration section, but I would like to take a moment to actually explain what they do and their functionality. Product bundles are for items that need to be included together or have optional features. More specifically, a bundle refers to a product that contains other products. A bundle could be a server with optional components like a power supply, keyboard, and monitor. Product bundles solve the use case of, what if you wanted to sell 2 appliances? You create a product bundle to sell a configured appliance. The benefits of product bundles are that they enforce configuration rules, constrain certain product options, guarantee that the sales users quote a valid set of product and services with pricing accuracy, and remind the sales users about what products and services can be sold with the appliance, such as upsells and cross-sells. As you see here, product bundles consist of products, options, features, and option constraints. If you've been following along in our lessons, you're already familiar with products, but here, our product is a separate product that is created specially that contains the bundled products. As for options, these are additional products in the bundle that contribute to the bundled price. They can be associated with features and define how the different components behave in relation to configuration, pricing, and constraints. Features. These are categories of options. Options of the same feature may have several constraints, such as pick 1 or more and pick 2 of 5. Option constraints. Constraints are placed on products defined in the options related list. They control which options may or may not be purchased together. And finally, there's an order of operations associated with product bundles. First you create your products, then you add your features, then you add your options, and finally you add your option constraints. If you've been following along in these lessons, you've already created your products. And if you notice, within this section, we'll be adding our features, options, and option constraints. So let's get started with those next 3 things, shall we? To bring configuration and product bundles into context and all together to understand it, let me explain some use cases. You'll see in the next few lessons we're adding product options and option constraints. So we have our main product that we are bundling product options to. So for example, we have our appliance product that we will be adding our product options to. So if we add our power supply product option, and to that we have our US power cords, UK power cords, those are considered accessories. Then we'll also be adding some hardware maintenance and software support product options. Those are support product options. And then also professional services and training. Those are considered services product options. So if we have our main appliance product, we have optional products that we can either add on to our main product or leave off. So for example, we have our appliance and we also want to add a training product to that and also some power cords. We can do that. Or maybe we can also leave them off. It depends how we want to configure it. These optional products can have dependencies upon one another. This is where option constraints come in. So option constraints, you can exclude one option when another product is in the bundle. So if we had one of our support products, either real-time analysis, so for example, maybe our real-time analysis requires our appliance monitoring. So we cannot add appliance monitoring without first having our real-time analysis product option on our appliance product. Or we can have an exclusionary option constraint. If we have a configuration product option and a professional services product option, you can only have one or the other. So configuration and professional services cannot both be ordered at the same time for the appliance bundle. This just goes to show that with one product bundle, you can create many types of configurations.